Yo, what's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to build a brand new AR-15 from stuff I have laying around the house. This is the biggest piece here that I have laying around the house. This is I think, if I can recall what it was probably like a BLEM classic upper from PSA. This thing's been sitting in my closet for quite a while. I'm gonna say 6 months, but I'm not positive. I'm gonna open it up. If there's a packing slip in there, we'll take a look at the date. But this box is brand new, unopened, been sitting in my closet for months. So let me get my knife. We'll open this baby up, take a look at it. This will be the first look at this upper for all of us here, for me too. Oh yeah, there's the old Palmetto State box. Throw that over there. As you can see, the tape has not been broken. This thing is a brand new. When I got it, I just threw it in the closet, never even looked at it, never even opened it up. So here we go. There we go. All right. Now this is probably the BLEM one I ordered, which are never BLEM'd. 16-inch 223-556 with the bolt carrier group and charging handle. It was like, man, is there a friggin'... There's no packing slip in this goddamn thing? Hang on. God damn it. No packing slip, just a friggin' sticker at the bottom of the box, which sort of sucks. Because I was curious how long I had this sitting here too. So no packing slip, but I'm telling you, I've had this sitting in my closet at least 6 months. We got the plastic clamshell. Let me get rid of this box. We got the plastic clamshell handguard here, A2 front post. Like I said, bolt carrier group and charging handle included, A2 flash hider, standard BLEM PSA 16-inch 556 complete upper. And I'm not really seeing anything wrong with this thing. I'm not seeing a BLEM anywhere. Not at all. This thing's perfect. The BLEMs are way better. They're slightly cheaper if you're going to get a complete AR upper from Palmetto State. Go with the BLEM. Oh, I found the BLEM. I found the BLEM. It's a tiny little scratch right there on the barrel. Barely noticeable. But, yeah. Tiny little scratch on the barrel. That must be the BLEM, because it ain't rubbing off. So, hey, awesome. A tiny little scratch on it, you save some money. Okay, so I got the upper. This has been sitting in the house for a while. Okay, guys. All right, here we go. I have a box of spare parts here. Just a spare parts box. It's got pretty much, you know, just odds and ends, bits and bobs, just shit that I've accumulated, you know what I mean? Spare parts that I've accumulated over the time I've been, you know, doing builds. This looks like some spare lower parts there. I just got a mishmash of everything in here. There's a mishmash of everything, and this is what I'm going to be using to put together the lower receiver that I have sitting in my closet for probably since friggin' early COVID. Okay, guys, this is the hello. This is the strip lower, the M4E1 strip lower from Aero Precision. This has been sitting in my closet for quite a while too. Haven't done anything with it. A little Aero sticker in there. And this is the strip lower that we'll be building out for the new build. The thing I love about the Aeros is the bolt catch pin is a little hex screw in there. You don't need to start hammering a pin into there. You already have your pin in there. You just screw it in with a little hex thing. And the trigger guard. Trigger guards are pre-installed on these. It's one solid piece. And I'm digging it. I mean, I don't have a hard time getting the trigger guard on, but it's there. Okay, so we got the lower, we got the upper, we have the box of spare parts. I'm going to put this rifle together. I can't really do it on YouTube because they're assholes, but the thing is, you see everything here. We'll get this thing going. If you're new to building rifles, and you have any questions, just leave a question in a comment, whatever. I'll do my best to help you. I'm sure there's thousands of other channels out there that'll do the same. So I just have my basic tools here. I got a little screwdriver, some hex keys, my clevis pin. These clevis or clevis pins, whatever these are, they're friggin' invaluable for getting your takedown and pivot pin springs and detents in. About 25 cents at any hardware store. I think this is a 1/4 inch by about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. As long as you can get it through as long as you can fit it through the hole on your pin here, on your lower, I mean. So get a clevis pin. This helps immensely. So I'm going to start building this rifle, and we'll come back. I'll check in with you every now and again. Okay, after a bunch of dicking around with it, coming up at the end, I was having a little problems with this pivot pin here, the takedown pin here. It seemed really tight. It wasn't coming in and out. Then the upper wouldn't close right into, it wouldn't close right, and I couldn't get that pin. But I took it, I took the bolt carrier group and the charging handle out a couple of times, and I figured out what the problem was. Seems all good. So it seems to be working. Safety selector switch is working. Trigger is working. Let me get a magazine. You never got a magazine when you need one. What do I got here? I'm gonna get a metal and a PMAG. Okay, so I got a PMAG here. Good retention, and it's dropping out with that magazine release. Steel mag in there, nice. Dropping right out. So I'm gonna call this a win. I'm gonna call this a my new build. Aero M4E1 lower, BLEM PSA classic upper, and the stock buffer tube, buffer spring, buffer weight, all the little pieces and bits and bobs in here, all came from spare parts. So I'm calling this pretty much a free rifle right now, because I didn't really put anything out of pocket right now on it. It's all stuff that's been sitting around my house for a while, and just finally got off my ass and put it together. So here we go. New 5.56 rifle. It feels pretty good. I'll get a rear sight on here, and yeah, and I'm calling this a win. So thanks for watching. I know it's probably painful to watch, but if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the comment thing. You know what to do. So anyway, that's it on the new build, and we'll get it out to the range soon, I'm pretty sure. And check it out.